Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10, self-practice 5J of chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10, self-practice 5J of chapter 5. Chapter name is fraction and topic is word problems on fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3, Samir ran 1 divided by 3 km on Monday and 1 divided by 4 km on Tuesday. How many kilometers in all did Samir run on these 2 days? This is a word problem and we have to find total distance Samir ran on these 2 days, on Monday and Tuesday. How many kilometers Samir ran on these 2 days? Total distance Samir ran on Monday and Tuesday is Samir ran 1 by 3 km on Monday and Samir ran 1 divided by 4 km on Tuesday. This is given. So total distance Samir ran on Monday and Tuesday is 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 km. We have to convert this mixed fraction 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole plus add with the denominators. Add with the numerator. 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 divided by denominator is 4. 13 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 mixed fraction. We convert this mixed fraction and we get 13 divided by 4. This is an improper fraction. Now add 1 divided by 3 km plus 13 divided by 4 kilometers. Now we have to convert these fractions into an equivalent fractions equating to equal denominators, that is equal to the LCM, by multiplying the same number with numerator and denominators. First we find out the LCM of these denominators 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. Prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied with 2. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, that is 12. Now we convert this fraction 1 divided by 3 into an equivalent fraction, that is equal to the LCM equal to the denominator, that is equal to the LCM 12. We know multiply with the denominator 3 with 4 we get 12, that is equal to the LCM of 3 and 4. So multiply the same number 4 with numerator also. So multiplying the numerator 1 with 4, 1 multiplied with 4 is 4, and multiplying the denominator 3 with 4 is 12. 12, that is equal to the LCM of 3 and 4. So we get 1 divided by 3 equal to 4 divided by 12, and 4 divided by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 1 divided by 3. Now we convert 13 divided by 4 into an equivalent fraction, just equating the denominator equal to the LCM, that is 12. We know 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. So we multiply the number 3 with numerator also. Multiplying 3 with numerator 13, we get 13 multiplied with 3 is 39, and multiply the denominator 4 with 3, we get 12. So 13 divided by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 13 divided by 4. Now we get 4 divided by 12 and 13 divided by 12. both have same equal denominators. Now we add these fractions, this equivalent fraction. Now we get 1 divided by 3 plus 13 divided by 4 kilometer equal to 1 divided by 3. We can write 4 divided by 12, which is an equivalent fraction of 1 divided by 3. 4 divided by 12 plus 13 divided by 4, we can write 39 divided by 12, which is an equivalent fraction of 13 divided by 4. Now we get 4 divided by 12 plus 39 divided by 12. Both have same equal denominators, so just add the numerators only. 4 plus 39 divided by the denominator 12. 4 plus 39 is 43. 43 divided by 12. 43 divided by 12 is an improper fraction. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Just dividing the dividend with the divisor. Dividing 43 with 12, we get 3 as the quotient and 7 as the remainder. We know 43, we can write 43 as 3 multiplied with 12 plus 7, where 3 is the quotient and 7 is the remainder. Now we know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. So quotient is 3, remainder is 7, 3, 7 divided by denominator divisor is 12. So we get 43 divided by 12 is equal to 3, 7 divided by 12 kilometer. So we get Samir ran 3, 7 divided by 12 kilometer on these 2 days, on Monday and Tuesday. So total Samir ran on Monday and Tuesday is 3, 7 divided by 12 kilometer. Now we solve another word problem. Question number 4. A coin is tossed 100 times. If heads appear 55 times, what fractions of total are tails? It is given that head appears 55 times and tossing of coin is 100 times. It is given. So tail appears will be total tossing minus head appears. So total toss given is 100 times minus head appears is 55 times. So 100 minus 55 is 45. Now fractions of total or tails. Now fraction of tail appears is 45 divided by total tails. Total tossing of coins. So fraction of tail appears divided by total tossing of coins. So tail appears is 45 divided by tossing of coin is 100. So 45 divided by 100. So we get fractions of tail appears is 45 divided by 100. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.